this up. But there is such a tone. Me and my child were laying here trying to go to sleep, and it's all you hear. I had her describe the sound to me, so I knew she was hearing the same thing I was.
I wake up in the morning. My God, the water is very close.
Yes. And you hear it, the stuff she says on her own out of nowhere. I mean, how much is everyone going to keep denying everything?
I see.
Okay, lay down, baby. See, she hears the noise too. It's like a musical tone. It's like a I say that and it just changed. You heard it change too?
Dad?
Yeah. You heard the change too? So seriously, I don't know if this is being picked up on this. If my microphone's even catching this noise. Right there, listen.
That's what I told me.
I really hope the microphone's picking this up. I'm going to review this video in the morning and edit it and put it out, but with the day I've had, the information I came to, and what I was laying here going through my mind as I'm putting my child to sleep, I mean, everything is bigger than what so many of you realize. But the thing is I really hope the microphone's picking up this noise for you all. Even if it's not, maybe you'll even believe just a fraction of everything she tried to tell you. But we're going to tell you good night. Tell them good night.
Good night. I see you in the morning. I hear that sound very quiet. And I'm going to get up and somebody sing.
See, she told you somebody's singing it. Do you know who's singing this noise? It's heavenly tones. I really hope somebody else out there tonight was able to pick up this. But no matter what, my child just told you somebody was singing it because it's a heavenly tune. It really is. This is great significance. What is today? Today is October the 13th. Another wonderful 13. Don't you get it? So anyhow, I'm going to have trouble going to sleep because now I'm like excited and happy. I mean, what time is it too for this week? It is 10:53 and it's still going on. I'm going to try to do a recording to see if it might pick it up. If so, I'll play it after this. If not, then I just won't have it there. But I'm going to lay down and listen to this beautiful music tonight. Okay.
Very powerful. I'm going to see you. We're going to talk to the noise. Okay?
Okay, we'll talk to the noise.
Up there.
See, she told you. Good night.
Good night. I love you.
Peace out.